my name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today, we are here for day 22. That is so amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing, and I am so proud of you guys for sticking with it. Kudos to you for sure. So, I guess you probably noticed I didn't post a video again last night. I apologize. We've been super busy at work. I did not get home in time to be able to upload a video before midnight. As I don't know if you realize this or not, but basically I come home from work, I spend about an hour recording and editing a video, and it's usually between a 5 and 10 minute video, and it takes me at least 3 hours to upload it because our Wi-Fi is so good. So that's why there wasn't a video yesterday. So that makes today the last day of our 0 to 4 point snack, and then we will be starting a new challenge. So first of all, let me share with you my snack of the day. Light and Fit Greek yogurt. I eat this all the time. I eat it for meals, well, with my meals, because clearly one little thing of yogurt isn't going to cut it. Sometimes I'll add fruit to it and have it for breakfast, or we have it for snacks also. So today was a yogurt snack kind of day. This entire thing is 2 points on the blue plan. It is 80 calories and it has 12 grams of protein. Guys, remember what we talked about with protein when we were researching our health benefits of snacking and protein? Or it keeps your energy level sustainable and it helps you to feel full, which is why eating this for a snack is great, because it really curbs my cravings. Curbs my cravings, guys. It really helps me to keep my cravings at bay. And if I'm craving something sweet, this is key lime. This is good, but they've also got, well, in the box that I got from Costco, or maybe it was Sam's Club, I can't remember, has strawberry cheesecake. Yeah, yum. And then there was a sweet coconut, or like a sweet toasted coconut flavor too. So really helps calm down my sweet tooth as well. So this is one of my favorite low point snacks. And then real quick, before we announce the new challenge, I have my laptop. I thought I would share a few health benefits of yogurt. Now this is Greek yogurt and it is non-fat Greek yogurt. So I'm going to look that up. Health benefits of non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, so we'll just go with the top one from my Google search, and it is called 8 Ways Greek Yogurt Benefits Your Health. And this is Healthline again. We've done a lot of research on this Healthline website. I will make sure to link it down below, as always, down in the description, so you guys can go check it out. Once again, I have not researched these facts to verify whether or not they're true. I am simply just doing a Google search and sharing some of the results I find with you. Okay, so we'll just do the first 3. It says 1 serving is packed with nutrients. The average serving, depending on the brand, can have 12 to 17.3 grams of protein, which we've talked about. A cup of plain Greek yogurt can help you meet recommended dietary guidelines of 3 daily servings of low-fat or non-fat dairy products. And then it says people who have lactose intolerance may also find Greek yogurt easier to digest because of the bacterial breakdown in the milk sugars. I didn't realize that. I'm not lactose intolerant. I mean, I suppose if I overdo it, but I don't have that issue. But I didn't realize that Greek yogurt wasn't as harsh on your intestinal system as other dairy products. Non-fat Greek yogurt has the power of protein. It says yogurt has a much higher amount of protein than milk, and your body uses protein to build bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, hair, and blood, which we did talk about all of those things when we were talking about protein earlier. And then the last one, it says probiotics keep you regular and happy, which I know is a big concern with so many people. So many people, like I said, poop talk, guys. It's real. It's a thing. It is out there. It is out there. I'm a nurse, so yeah, poop comes up a lot. Anyways, squirrel moment, and of course it's about poop. Yay us. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics. Probiotics are healthy bacteria that can help boost your immune system and decrease stomach issues such as diarrhea and pain. These normally live in your intestines, and having good microorganisms in your intestines help you to keep healthy. And those microorganisms are the bacteria. So I know a lot of times when we hear bacteria, we think germs and negative and harmful things, but that's not true. There's healthy bacteria. There's healthy bacteria in your mouth. There's healthy bacteria, your body systems. You would be surprised to find out how many good forms of bacteria there are that actually help to keep you healthy because they attack the bad bacteria and keep it out. There you go. Health lesson 101 with Chaos Jenn. Okay. It says, Shane Griffin, a certified nutritional practitioner and founder of Whole Life Balance, says, without a healthy balance of good bacteria from probiotics, too much bad bacteria can build up and cause damage to our immune systems, which is basically what I just said. We need that good bacteria to keep things even kiltered. And just as stress and emotions can trigger stomach issues, your gut can send signals the other way around too. One study found that probiotics could also affect the brain, according to a UCLA newsroom. Another study found that probiotic supplements reduce the participants' tendency for distress and thoughts about sadness and thoughts about hurting others or themselves. Well, that takes it to a whole new level, so we're not going to go there. But apparently, probiotics, they're in yogurt. They do a whole lot of positive things for us, and it looks like in every area, not just gut health. So that is cool. Very cool. All right, well, who is ready to find out what we are doing for our challenge next week? Again, let me talk about how we decided what we were going to do. As I'm sure you guys all already know, I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey for the entire month of October to celebrate Vlogtober. And we have decided to do a different challenge every week for the week of Vlogtober. So, for the month of September, you guys gave us a bunch of ideas of things that you would like to challenge yourself with this month. I wrote them all down on a piece of paper. There were 18 in total. And I numbered each one. And then Suzy, who cannot see the list, picks a number from 0 to 18. So, without further ado, our challenge for this week is to find ways to establish a healthy sleeping or bedtime routine. Now, at first, when I heard that, I was like, oh, that's going to be hard. But you know what? It is not. Sleep is so important. There's so many things that we can do to help our minds and our bodies slow down and calm down before we go to bed that will enable us to have a good night's sleep. And guys, diet, I don't know about you, but I'm a big nighttime eater. Like when I lay down in bed, that's when my wheels start turning, and that's when I'm most likely to start doing that anxiety or that stress eating. So I am excited to look into this, to share my facts with you, and to share my new tip each day in developing a healthy sleeping or bedtime routine. And I also can't wait to hear yours. So, as always, guys, leave your snack of the day down in the comments, or if you want to share them on Suzy's YouTube channel or Suzy's Facebook page, they're both linked down below. If you're not a member of her YouTube or Facebook family, guys, make sure you go down and check them out, subscribe, and join. You will not be disappointed. Alright, guys, time for me to end this video because it's Friday and I got stuff I got to do. So, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you at some point tomorrow with my first tip on developing a healthy sleeping routine. And until then, guys, keep eating those healthy snacks and keep on smiling. Adios. Goodbye.